Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to address the biggest problem Temu users are facing right now in December 2025. You are looking for a coupon code, but everything you find on Google is either expired, fake, or only works for brand new accounts created 5 minutes ago. It is frustrating. I have tested over 50 codes this week, and most of them gave me the invalid code error. However, I finally found a workaround that is actually verified. It involves using a specific developer key, ATT62644. Unlike the standard promo codes you see on coupon sites, this code is linked to the affiliate reactivation system. This means it triggers the $100 coupon bundle and a flat 30% discount, even if you have had the app installed for a while. But there is a catch. You cannot enter this in the normal coupon field. Let me show you exactly how to do this on my screen. Watch carefully. Do not go to your profile settings. Do not go to the Coupons and Offers tab. That is where codes get rejected. Instead, go to the main home screen. Look at the top search bar, yes, the one you use to find products. Type the code AAT62644 directly into that search bar. I will repeat that, AAT62644. Then hit the magnifying glass. With the 30% off stack, you can get incredible deals on tech and home goods. Look at these prices I'm finding. Make sure you grab this before the 2026 update patches this method. The link and code are in the description and pinned comment below. Thanks for watching and happy saving!